Now we'll start the experiment number 1, which is already finished, introduction to the circuit maker, and experiment number 2, which is PCB design and implementation of 2 to 1 and 4 to 1 multiplexer. In this 2 to 1, already I shown to you. You can practice 4 to 1 multiplexer in next class in the lab itself. Now we'll go for the third experiment, PCB design implementation of stepper motor circuit. Okay. Now I open the circuit maker. Just it is here. I open here circuit maker. Now for the circuit stepper motor, what are the items? Just see. Just come to the manual. Yeah, this is the first, second. Now stepper motor. See. So what are the items we need here? We need counter latches, prom, opto isolator, stepper motor. In this counter and latches, we need these 3 ICs, that is data sequence ICs 74LS93, 74LS75 for counters and latches. Now in proms, we need one IC, prom 32. Opto isolators, we need these isolators, 4 isolators we need. Now we need a stepper motor with ground, we need voltage supply, we need. So step by step we'll go. First, add the components to the circuit maker. First, counter and latches. What we need? 74LS75. So just type it. What I told you, just search 74LS75. 74, okay, cancel. 74LS75. See, already it is there. Just place here. Next, what we need? Next, 74LS93. Okay, let me finish first class, then I will answer your doubts. 74LS93. 74LS93. Okay, place here. Now, see here 74LS93. If I zoom this one, you can see it. Yeah. Now, what are the components? What are the items? See, 74LS93. Left side, it should be Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0. Right side, it should be MR1, MR2, CPO, CP1. What are there? Here, left side it is right side is left side. Means it is opposite. So for that, we have to not rotate. We have to mirror it. I told you to make it opposite connections, we have to mirror it. To rotate is to just rotate physically. But internally, if you want to make opposite, we need a mirror. So just mirror it. See, all are there. Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0, left side. MR1, MR2, CP0, CP1 on the right side. Okay, next what we need? Data sequence. Just search data SEQ. So it is here, just place here data sequence. It is also in same nature. Yeah, CP1, CP2, 1 to 8. It is good. Next, another thing we need, PROM 32, PROM 32. PROM 32. Fine, see, we got it. Okay, we'll place it here, PROM 32. Next, we need opto isolator. Just type opto. So you will get opto isolator, AP, opto, find. So we have opto isolator this and this. Anything you can use. We can use second one. Place it here. We need 4. So for that again place here 2. Again place 3. Again you can place 4. Now next stepper motor. See stepper motor. Just type half of the word, you will get it. Stepper motor. Now what we need? Ground we need and plus V we need. Ground, just type ground, GROUND, ground. Sorry, D. Just place ground here, another place here. See, we need 1, 2, 3 grounds. One, two ground. Sorry. Okay, two grounds we need. Here you can place it. Okay, now we need V plus V. See, place it here. Just to 10 volts enough, no problem. Now the items are ready now. What we have to do now? We have to connect. For connection, what we need? This plus symbol, wire tool. Wire tool we need. So we'll come from the right side. How it is? You have to join these two and give into the V. Join these two. That's it. Now here to here. That's it. Now here our letter first 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. All first connections of each isolator on the right side is given to the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the second connection are shorted and given to the ground. This is easy. Just connect it here. Just connect it here. Just connect this here. Now for making easy movement, you can have like this, no problem. Now the second is you have to short this. You have to short this. You have to short this. Or can okay. Next you can connect here this. Connect this wire tool to here. That's it. Now this is the connection of the right side of the up oscillator. See, good. Now on the left side, we have to connect 0 to 4 connections to each first connection of the opto oscillator. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining same connection of oscillators are shorted and given to the ground. You can use two grounds and you can short, or you can use one ground, up to you. Now 0 to 3 means 4 connections. Now given to this 3 is here, 2 is here, and 1 is for this, and 0 to here. Now for short use this, for short use this, like this. Now I can use no controls. Oh, this will be a problem. Okay. Okay, now take the wire tool. Okay, or you can use another ground. No problem, it's easy. Yes. Now all are finished. No, you have to. Yeah. So all 4 connections are shorted. Okay. Now another ground I want it here. So what on the right side of the prom is finished. Now left side of the prom, CS is given to the shorted with the A4 and MR1. CS is given to the A4. Okay, next again it is given to the MR1 and MR2. And it is given to here. Okay, now it is given to the ground. That's it. Now next CS is finished, A4 is finished, A3. A3 is given to the Q3. A3 is given to the Q3. Next A2 is given to the Q2. Next Q0 is given to A0. Sorry, Q0 and Q1. Okay, Q1 is given to A1 and Q0 is given to A0. That's it. Now coming to the this latch, MR1 MR2 is finished. CPE 0 is given to the left side. Okay, before CP0 is given to 1, CP0 is given to 1, and again it is given to E0. Okay, is given to E0 and it is given to E23. That's it. Okay, this side is finished. Now CP1. CP1 is given to Q0. Okay, before that Q0 is given to D0. Same. Okay, I can use like this. Okay, Q0 is finished. Now Q1 is given to D1 and Q2 is given to D2, Q3 is given to D3. Q1 is given to D1, Q2 is given to D2, Q3 is given to D3. Okay, good. What's remaining? That's it. All our connections are over. So see, all connections are over. You can use F4 to make it all visible, easily visible. Okay. Once again, see the connections. D3, D2, E23, D3, D2, E23. On the right side, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is finished, given to the ground, and this is, yeah, CP0 is one problem I'm facing. CP0, yeah, CP0 already connected to 1, and it is given to E0 and E23. Connected to CP0. Connected to E0 and E23. Okay, good. Q0, okay. Okay, now here one problem before running to the circuit is you have to double click this opto isolator and you have to use the second one once again. Select again, double click, use the second one, double click, second one, so that the package is selected. Now save this. I can say in the documents, stepper motor, I can say stepper. This circuit diagram we are saving stepper. Now just run this circuit and you can stop it. Now you go to the export, to the PCB netlist and generate tracks maker. Just press OK. It will ask for the same thing, where to save. Just save it. Now it is showing OK. Just press OK. Now zoom it. Yeah, enough. Now what is the next step? Route board means we need the connections between all the ICs. So route and board. Just press OK here. That's it. Then it will connect all the circuit diagram. See, routing is finished. So this is your PCB for the stepper motor. See the manual. See, this is the output, means it should come on the PCB. Now, how to print? I already told you. Just go to the file, print three items. One is options, uh, top with mirror, one option. Press print. That is only top with mirror. Now properties change to PDF. PDF, Adobe PDF. Okay. If you have printer directly, you can print it. Now it is asking for the name. So stepper top. Okay, just save it. It will save. It will save. Yeah, it will open. No problem. Now another print. Yeah, see. This is your top with mirror. All red lines are top. I will minimize it and again print options. No mirror, only bottom, no top layer, only bottom layer without mirror. Press OK and print it. Adobe PDF. Press OK. It will ask stepper bottom. It is bottom. Bottom. Just save it. It will open the PDF file. Now again go for both. See, this is bottom with blue lines. Blue lines means bottom connection. Minimize it. Now with both, same as it is if you want. Go to the options, top and bottom. Press OK and print. Stepper. Both you can say. Stepper both. See, it will open the circuit maker PDF file. Yes. So this is top and bottom both. You can see here this ICs are coming here in this one PCB. ICs will not be there. We have to fix the ICs. We have to purchase the ICs based upon that number. That is U3 PROM 32, U274LS93. All this we have to purchase, and in this fashion we have to attach to that PCB. On PCB, the print will be like this, the general connection. These are the all holes and the copper and with holes it will come. And these are the copper lines, means connecting wires. These are the connecting wires. This is complete for top and bottom layer. Now, what is the top layer? This is a top layer with red lines, means red connection of connecting wires. It is mirrored. And now, this is bottom. Without mirror it is, because when we are attaching to the PCB, we have to take these printouts of top and bottom, and we have to keep a PCB in between this top and bottom, and we have to use the iron box to print this circuit on the PCB. I will show in next class in the lab how it will print. Okay, so this is how our experiment. Now we can close this one, or you can save it. No need to save because already the circuit is saved. So this is your stepper motor. If you want to add here something, you can add stepper motor control. Okay, so save it. This is your stepper motor. Okay, now next experiment is design of PCB design and implementation of astable and bistable multiple vibrators. These I have video files I will share to you in lectures, and you can do the same thing in your home also. And in next class we will do this experiment number 4 and 5 practically in the next class in the lab itself. Experiment number 5 is 555 timer. It's very easy. 555 timer is very easy. No problem. These 4 and 5 will do it there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.